In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert sound effects into speech using ElevenLabs. Before we dive into the detailed steps, if you're new to ElevenLabs and considering signing up, we highly recommend using our affiliate link. It helps you get started and supports our channel too. Now, let's get started with enhancing your audio experience using ElevenLabs' cutting-edge text-to-speech technology. First things first, when you're generating your audio, it's important to choose the V3 model. This model is particularly versatile. Versatile because it allows you to add tags in between your text. These tags give you more control over the nuances of the audio, making it sound more expressive and natural. The real beauty of the V3 model lies in its ability to seamlessly incorporate sound effects into your synthesized speech. Once you've entered your text and you want to enhance it with sound effects, this is where the fun begins. You can add a wide variety of effects such as gunshots, explosions, applause, and more. To do this, simply type the name of the sound effect you want. Surround this name with opening and closing square brackets. This indicates that it's a tag, and the ElevenLabs system will process it accordingly. It's really as simple as that. Adding these sound effects not only makes your audio more engaging, but also brings an additional layer of depth, which is especially useful for presentations, videos, or any creative project that might benefit from an auditory lift. While working on your text and sound effects, it's always a good idea to preview the generated audio. This helps you ensure that the sound effects are placed correctly and that the transitions between spoken text and effects are smooth and natural. It's also worth experimenting with different sound effects to see what works best for your particular project. Remember, the key is to keep it subtle and relevant to your context. Overusing sound effects can sometimes be distracting, so it's all about finding that perfect balance to enhance your message without overpowering it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily insert sound effects into your speech in ElevenLabs, creating a richer and more dynamic audio presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks in the world of audio and tech. See you in the next video.